Hey babe, what day is it?
Halloween.
Yeah, what else?
Cruise Day.
Cruise Day it is. Look, she's got her shirt on here, Halloween shirt on. I have my Halloween shirt on.
You want me to show them?
Oh, you can. Yeah, sure.
All right.
So you can see the shirt. And you can see I also have shorts on. There's a reason behind it.
Look at him. Doesn't he look good?
So we, if you've watched our January cruises, this site right here, if you remember, was all snow. Snow coming down, snow on the ground. Now we are in Halloween, of course, and none of that. Actually, it's 81 degrees. One of the reasons why I'm wearing shorts today. So it's a nice, great day to be out there. So anyway, we are going there again. I don't know how much I'm going to vlog in this series because you guys have already seen the tour that we did back in January. But it'll be Halloween stuff, so I'll probably will vlog that stuff. But anyway, we are getting ready to go. Our neighbor next door, right there, she will be taking us to the cruise port, so we don't have to worry about parking a car. And my son will pick us up next week. But we'll see you the next. All right, we won't be able to vlog much, but we're inside. Yeah. And we're on pet security. Very quick getting in so far. Okay, we within 5 minutes.
Yeah.
5 minutes maybe. We are already in. We're walking up into the port. Baltimore has got it all together, man. They really do it well. I've been places that are a lot worse than that, but this is actually good. So, all right, we're heading out of here. We're gonna be on to the cruise ships early. Okay, we're checked in. Happy Halloween. They got Halloween stuff here. Not so much there. There we go here. So there we go. So the first thing you guys want to do when you get here is when you get in, go to the muster station. Watch your videos. You could do it from home actually, or if you could do it if you were near the port. You could do it, but do it at home or do it at a hotel. But then you can do it also here. But then go to your muster station, get it done. That way you can start your cruise. So anyway, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go to our muster station. Okay, we are done. Our muster's all done. Everything's done.
Oh, wait a minute. I'll do Peyton.
Oh, that's our grandson. So here we go. Here's the aft. Eventually we'll be seeing that wake out there. So it is 11:33. We started this process, I don't know, almost near 11, wasn't it? Yeah. No, actually it was after 11.
I don't know.
When we got here, like 5 or 10 after 11, and we're already 23 minutes checked in, done. Everything's done. So we're gonna go find something to eat. Someone's hungry.
Yeah.
I had a coffee today, so it helped me out.
I had a banana.
All right. We'll take you along with us. Just different foods. They have pumpkins all up here, decorations, and then we'll get to the main food. Put you guys down so. Alright, so you have the grill. You have the market carvery. Look what you want, baby. Just we'll get something. And then you have the drinks. And then over here is the sweets. So what's on the ends is where we're gonna go to. I'll put you down. So the one we just came in on and this one I think might be somewhat the same. And then there's just different foods here. So nothing special. Last cruise we were on the Quantum, so obviously a lot more food selection than there is here. But there's some different foods they have. Okay, come on, good. And salads. Okay, yeah, we do. Salads. And then all the food on the other side. Over to the desserts they have. Fruits. And more fruits and cookies and cakes on the other side. Okay, room tour of 3082. So here we go, coming here. There she is. They do not. This does not come with the tour. You don't get to keep it with the room. I said I'm doing a room tour. This you do not come with the room.
Oh no, I don't come with the room.
So anyway, so you walk in, of course, and then to your left. It's been a while since we've had it. Well, actually, we've never had an ocean view since on Royal Carnival many years ago. So this is our first ocean view. So obviously on the left side when you come into the room is your closet. The right is going to be the shower, bathroom. So let's see, I'm almost about 5'11", and there's still a good amount of room before we get to that. And of course, if you're shorter, you can use this to go down. But this is your just typical bathroom. See, typical bathroom, nothing major, nothing great. All right. And then when you come out of the bathroom, you have all this, the desk, there's drawers there, there's drawers there. There are your outlets. And with the new plan that they have it, so that should work, hopefully as long as you have USB. Of course, a TV. The safe is in here. There is no refrigerator, we found that out. No refrigerator for an ocean view. So that's different. There's drawers on this side, and of course there's drawers on this side with a little table. Obviously no outlets over here. So all your outlets is right there. Of course, that's what it is. And of course there's a view of outside. A lovely great dock, but eventually it'll just be water. So that's pretty much it. Very quick, easy tour. So what do you think? Since we've
Other
had
than not having a refrigerator,
yeah,
it's not bad. Ask me tomorrow.
But it's a big size window.
It is. I was concerned because our first cruise, it was a little window, and I wasn't real crazy about that. So yeah, that'll work.
Okay. Well, we met some people, guess friends, on our from our Facebook chat. So we'll probably spending some time with them throughout this cruise for sure.
Sure.
So, but that'll be something different. But like I said earlier, we've done this tour, or we've done this Vision already, so there probably won't be too much other stuff. We do need to find out about the Halloween candy. How do we go about that? So, anyway, we're probably we'll give it Halloween candy out. So, that is it for our room tour. Hope you guys know it. 3082 is our room. All right, see you guys later. All right, it can't be long, but it's Halloween. The celebrate party is getting ready to start soon. But as you can hear, there's playing music and Halloween music at that. Channel 11 News, seeing us off. He was down lower, but I couldn't get my camera out fast enough. So there he is, Channel 11, seeing us off. Alrighty, I don't know how much you can hear because the wind. I'm trying to block as best I can, but there is the Key Bridge. You know anything about the Key Bridge going down? That's what's left of it. This is the one side. We don't live too far from here, so we can get to a certain spot driving and we can see it, but this is about as close as we're going to get. I'm going to take you a little bit forward and see if I can get it, but it might be windy, so you might just hear sound wind.
Steven, this guy in front of you gets up.
Just a bridge in that end. And here's the open area. Okay, so I come around here a little bit.
Why are we going straight for it? He did. He's like, I can get myself out.
Here's the side. Here's the side over here. It's just crazy. So we woke up that morning. We had news about it. Next thing you know, we see a bridge that's no longer It's been here since I was a kid. But anyway, that's the other side again. Sorry, the sun's probably blocking a lot of it.
Go get it, bud.
Thank you. There it is. Dinner time, and there is our waiter and assistant waiter. I do not know how to pronounce them, but I'm sure we'll get to know them soon. Alright, I forgot to share the menu, but as you can see, shrimp cocktail there, and I got some tomato, basil, some kind of a soup. Not bad. Shrimp cocktail, shrimp cocktail.
Shrimp cocktail.
And this is actually pretty good, tomato soup. It's a little bit watery, but it might be supposed to be that way. But it's got a little kick to it if you get it. So we both got prime rib. We'll let you know what we think of it. There. Cheesecake. What are you doing?
Being silly.
And then, oh look, I have a little pumpkin there, see that?
Oh, how cute.
Boston cream. And if you watch my vlogs enough, you know I have to have ice cream too. Halloween, look how they're dressed. Some big chant evening, here it is. So they're having a haunted house. So it's gonna be dark, so I won't be able to share much of it. But we're gonna go see what it's all about. As you can see. So there is candy in here. So let's see.
Go upstairs and get the candy.
Maybe. Woo! So they have this all set up. So apparently you go around and they just come
I
out.
didn't have my glasses on.
Oh look.
I fell out of my
You
face.
can't see it. This video probably will never make it. We were doing the Name That Tune Halloween hits. We'll let you know how we did when we're done. This is number 2. Well, we didn't win, so we only got 6, right? That was 6? 6. But right now we're dealing with Beetlejuice. So we're in the Schooner Bar, just sitting here chilling. Good night, all.
Good night.
So we well, very Embarkation Day. Like I told you, if you seen our videos in January, we gave a tour of the ship, so we're not really didn't do that today. We showed some Halloween stuff. There were some clips in there you saw of people dressed up. Could have showed more, but I figured, you know, y'all see.
Babe, you're all over the place. You're like,
Oh, I'm pretty
yeah,
solid
no,
here.
no. Okay, now you are.
Okay, apparently. So anyway, we just so we went dinner. So let's talk about dinner.
Dinner was good.
I had a tomato basil soup, whatever. That was spicy, but it was good. We both had prime rib. I know you didn't like it. The prime rib. What did you think of the prime rib?
Prime rib was good.
I think I would have loved to have a little bit more potatoes, though.
Yeah, they were a little skimpy on the potatoes, but
Yeah.
you know, hey.
It is what it is. And of course, dessert was always good. Anytime I get ice cream, I'm always good for that.
And if I get cheesecake, I'm good.
And so after that, you saw that. So then after that, we went to we did the Name That Tune Halloween themes. I didn't.
No, we didn't. We went through the haunted house.
Oh yeah, we did a haunted house, which you saw a small clip. I have more on there, but looking back on it, yeah,
Really dark.
It's dark, so it deleted it. It was okay. Somebody though said that this was their 4th Halloween cruise, and this was the best one yet. I'm really scared about the other 3 they went to because
Yeah, exactly.
I didn't think it was all that. But after that, so we did that, and I gave out a bunch of candy. She was talking to somebody, so I decided I'll just go ahead and hand out candy out to kids and adults. And so if you ever come on a cruise, Halloween or not, the staff loves free stuff. So especially we gave a lot of candy out. I did to staff. They really enjoyed it. Actually, one actually said that they said, "Oh, they never think about us." So take care of the staff. You know, I know they take care of you and you pay them and all that kind of stuff, gratuities and all, but take care of them. The little extra stuff is really nice for them.
Yeah.
So after that, we saw Name That Tune, Halloween theme, which I didn't think the Halloween was really. I think it was almost kid friendly.
Yeah, a lot of them we didn't know. So out of 15, we got 6.
The winning team had 8. Just goes to show you that one too many were known.
Yeah.
After that, we decided to stay in the Schooner Bar, listen to the pianos, which you saw a couple clips, and then we just hung out with some friends that we met from our Facebook page, and that's what we did.
Yep.
And we went to Park Cafe and had a couple pizzas, and now we're here. And it is, what time is it anyway? It's 11:33. So it's
way past my bedtime.
past our bedtime. So
Well, no, not yours, but definitely mine.
close to it. So that was our day. Again, I probably will do C days because unless we do something different, they'll probably be combined. Tomorrow's a C day, and then we go to
Sorry,
Bermuda.
guys.
So Bermuda is the next 2 days, and we have different excursions for that. So we'll vlog that. Other than that, that's pretty much it for tonight, though, right?
Yep.
Anything else you want to share?
Nope.
All right. So, guys, we had a great first day vacation. It doesn't matter if we did nothing. We're on vacation, and that always makes it great.
Yes.
So we will see you next time.
Yep. Good night.
Good night, guys.